how to create an electronics store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by creating your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform where you can create your own online store just by a few clicks and some adjustments to the themes without any programmation or anything like that. So here the first thing we will need to do is to go to Shopify. In here, type Shopify in your search, then click on Shopify e-commerce company and click on the first link that will show up and give it a few seconds to load, and then scroll down and click on start a free trial. Then you will be able to create your own account, and after that you will proceed to the dashboard, which is this one, and here you can either go with the setup guide where you will be able to add your first product. Add product. In here you can add your first product, or you can just close this and everything is very easy. In here guys, you can check your orders in this button. You can check your products, add new ones, or check the ones that you already have. You can check your customers, your content, your analytics, and so on. And the important thing we have in here is the online store in here. So you can click on this eye in order to view your online store. So this is how our online store is looking like right now. As you can see, this is how it's looking, and click on online store in order to make adjustments to it. So here, this is the themes. Let's scroll down to choose a theme, a better theme than this one for our theme, for our store. The theme will make it easier when it comes to customizing the store. So let's scroll down and click on visit the theme store in order to choose a theme that will fit our electronics store. So here, as you can see, we have 173 themes, and we have 12 of them are free and the others are paid. So let's go with the free ones. If you have a limited budget, you can just go with the free ones, and then you can customize the theme to whatever you'd like. So here, let's see what theme would the theme that would come very fit with the electronics store. So let's scroll down to see what we have in here. So those are all the free themes that we have. We have this one for food, publishing, fashion, studio, taste, craft, down, origin. Let's check this one. I think this one would fit my requirements. Let's view demo store in here, and this is how the theme is looking. To unfold bag, and by scrolling down you will see how the theme looks like, and I think this is not very good for what I'm looking for. So let's go back to check another theme. So those are the other themes. We have spotlight in here, origin. Let's check spotlight. I think this one will fit my requirements. Click on view demo store, and this is the theme. We have a sweater icon, crow neck, sweater icon, crow neck, same theme. And this is how it's looking. The products are shown from the beginning, nothing too much. I think I'm going to use this theme, so click on try theme in order to install it in your online store themes. Then we will proceed to publish it. to be our theme. So let's close the first window we've opened. Let's wait for it to load. And this is the theme, and here by scrolling down, click on publish in order to publish it to be your main theme. So let's publish that, and here click on view your store to see how it's looking right now with the new theme. So this is how our store is looking with the new theme. So let's close this one, scroll down and click on customize to customize the theme. So here guys, this is where you can change everything about your theme, starting with the featured collection, your header, and by scrolling down you can also change your footer as well. And so first I'm going to explain the buttons that you have in the corners first, then I'm going to explain the buttons that you have in here as well. So let's start with this button. It's where you can add the application embeds if you want to search for an app, and in the theme settings it's where you can change all of those settings from the theme style back to the logo. So here you can upload your logo, you can select image to upload the logo, and here you can select the width of the logo in the desktop, and here you can add a favicon image as well. And for those who doesn't know what is a favicon, the favicon is this one. It's the one that's shown in the window in here, this one exactly, and the logo is the one shown in here. After that you can also change the colors. As you can see, you can change the colors that you want to go with. Then you can change the typography as well. You can choose the font that you would like to use. You can choose the font size scale, and you can change the layout, animations, buttons, and all those sort of things. After that, you proceed to the sections. It's where you can change everything about your pages, from the header, template, footer, and those things. Then you have this button if you want to exit, and here you have the three dots if you want to edit default theme content, view your store, view documentation, or if you want to get support. Then you have the language in here, you have the page if you want to edit the product page, collections, and here you have those buttons if you want to view it in mobile or full screen, or if you want to save the changes. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.